The Apple M5 iPad Pro is coming. And it's not just a tablet, it's a powerhouse that could redefine mobile computing as we know it. With a stunning OLED display, the beastly M5 chip, and a game-changing dual-front camera setup, Apple is aiming directly at creatives, power users, and professionals who want desktop-class power in a slim, portable device. Whether you're a digital artist, a gamer, a student on the go, or a content creator pushing 4K edits, this is the iPad you've been waiting for. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the M5 iPad Pro, from its 10 killer features to the latest leaks, the anticipated release date, pricing details, and whether it's worth upgrading or waiting for what's next. What if I told you Apple's about to redefine the iPad world, again with M5 firepower, dual selfie cams, and old magic this October? Well, it's happening. Let's break it down quick. Unmask. What is the M5 iPad Pro? This is Apple's next-gen Pro tablet, rumored to hit shelves in late 2025. It's expected to pack the all-new M5 chip and a revolutionary dual front-facing camera system capable of seamless transitions between portrait and landscape selfies and FaceTime calls. This feature is especially useful for content creators, remote workers, and online educators who want to look their best in any orientation. Leak summary release timing. The M5 iPad Pro is expected to be announced in October 2025 with mass production for OLED displays already underway. Samsung and LG are leading the charge in manufacturing these high-end OLED panels, ensuring that both the 11-inch and 30-inch models are ready for a global launch. Supply chain shift. Apple is diversifying its OLED production by having both Samsung and LG manufacture panels for both sizes. This strategy ensures consistent supply and reduces delays, especially given the high demand expected for these devices. M5 chip. The M5 chip is built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm N3P process. Expect a significantly boosted GPU for better graphics, a smarter neural engine for AI and machine learning tasks, and much lower power consumption. This chip will likely bring Mac-level performance to a portable device. Dual front cameras. The addition of a second front camera is a usability boost. The device will now support a landscape-optimized FaceTime camera while also keeping the portrait option. This is ideal for switching between content consumption and communication without compromising camera angles. Design notes. Apple is sticking with its ultra-slim chassis, which remains between 5.1mm and 5.3mm thin. The design includes a new tandem OLED screen that enhances color, contrast, and brightness without affecting battery life. A full design overhaul isn't expected until possibly the M6 version. iPadOS integration. The M5 iPad Pro is expected to launch with iPadOS 26, which will bring long-requested desktop-style features like floating windows, menu bars, journaling capabilities, and local screen recording, finally allowing the software to catch up with the hardware. Top 10 features: blazing M5 performance with enhanced CPU and GPU cores. M5 chip promises lightning-fast app launches, fluid multitasking, and the ability to handle intensive workloads like 4K editing and 3D modeling with ease. The upgraded neural engine also unlocks real-time machine learning features for creatives and professionals alike. Dual self-facing cameras seamlessly switch between portrait and landscape views without physically rotating the device. Ideal for video conferencing, Face ID in any orientation, and professional content creation using advanced AR and AI tools. Cinematic OLED display. The OLED panel delivers vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and a true HDR experience. With a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, content will look smoother and more lifelike than ever. Perfect for watching high-resolution content or editing visual media. Tandem OLED efficiency. Apple's tandem OLED technology allows for greater brightness and energy efficiency. That means you get brighter visuals outdoors and longer battery life indoors, all while enjoying truly life colors and incredible contrast. Ultra-thin design. Apple continues its design excellence with a chassis between 5.1mm and 5.3 millimeters thin. It's incredibly light and portable, yet robust enough to handle the rigors of professional use. Ideal for people who need power without bulk. Landscape right Apple logo. A small but thoughtful tweak though. Apple logo now aligns with how most users use the iPad with a keyboard in landscape mode. This reflects Apple's deeper commitment to making the iPad feel like a true laptop replacement. iPadOS 26 Power Tools. This version of iPadOS is rumored to finally bring true desktop-class multitasking. Expect resizable app windows, a persistent menu bar, multi-user support, and better file system navigation. It'll be a game changer for productivity, enhanced AI features. The M5's neural engine supports on-device AI like never before. Expect features like real-time transcription, smart video editing, ProRace enhancements, and even intelligent workflow suggestions, all without needing to connect to the cloud. Pro accessory support, full compatibility with Apple Pencil Pro. Magic Keyboard and external 6K displays make this iPad a dream device for illustrators, video editors, and anyone using it in a studio or on the go. 5G and Wi-Fi 6E7. Apple is packing in next-gen connectivity options, including ultra-fast 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and possibly even Wi-Fi 7. This ensures blazing fast downloads, seamless video calls, and smooth remote workflows wherever you are. Price. Predictions starting at $999 for the 11-inch model and $1,299 for the 13-inch version, both with 256 gigabytes of storage. Prices are expected to remain consistent with the last generation. However, due to rising component costs and global tariffs, some configurations, especially those with cellular and higher storage, might see a $100 to $200 increase. Release and pre-order timing. Apple is expected to announce the M5 iPad Pro during a special October 2025 event, either alongside the iPhone 17 series or in a standalone iPad-focused keynote. Pre-orders will likely open within days of the announcement, with shipments starting in late October or early November. Why it matters. This device is more than just an incremental upgrade. Pro users finally get tools that match their workflows, making it perfect for video editors, 3D artists, music producers, and power users. The dual camera setup improves usability in ways that matter, while the old display and tandem technology elevate the visual experience. Most importantly, iPadOS 26 finally unleashes the full potential of Apple's silicon. Final verdict: if you're due for a pro-grade tablet and you've been waiting for more than just spec bumps, the M5 iPad Pro with iPadOS 26 may be exactly the leap you need. Whether you're a digital nomad, a content creator, or a professional seeking extreme portability without compromising power, this be your next dream machine. Just plan your wallet wisely this October. So is the M5 iPad Pro Apple's most powerful tablet ever wore? Just another spec bump with a fancy screen? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Apple leaks and deep dives, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our hands-on review as soon as it drops. We've got more videos coming on the Apple M5 chip, iPad Pro 2025 models, iPadOS 26 features, and everything Apple has planned this fall. This is where tech meets truth. Catch you in the next one.